As we continue to work with numbers 0 through 10, let's finish out our unit, chapter 5. Take out lesson 5.11, pages 127 and 128. Today we're going to graph how many hats there are on this side. So we're going to count how many items there are and then just write the number below each column. So we're going to begin with the pink cowboy hats, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to write the number 4 on the line underneath the cowboy hats. Next, we're going to count the baseball caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 baseball caps. 1, 2, 3 hats in this row. And our last row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hats. And that's all we need to do on this side of our math lesson. Let's turn it over and let's work on the back together. On the back, they want us to compare the numbers. So we're going to look at this graph, which has Mr. Tom and Miss Alicia. And we're going to see who sold more items in their store each day. So it's divided by days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? So for each day, we'll count how many they have and which one has more. So on Monday, Mr. Tom sold 4 nail polishes. Miss Alicia sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number is more? 5 is more. We need to circle this group. On Tuesday, Mr. Tom sold 3 bandages, and Miss Alicia sold 6 bandages. She sold more, so we need to circle 6. 6 is greater than 3. On Wednesday, Mr. Tom sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thumbtacks. Miss Alicia sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. 7 is more than 5. So we need to circle the group of 7. On Thursday, Mr. Tom sold 4 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss Alicia sold 3. Mr. Tom sold more. 4 is more than 3. Let's circle the group of 4. And on Friday, they both sold lollipops. Let's see how many Mr. Tom sold. He sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lollipops. And she sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lollipops. So Miss Alicia sold more lollipops than Mr. Tom on Friday. Great counting and comparing. We're all done.